Today we're here tinting a 2025 Tesla Model S. We're gonna do XR Plus window tint on the sides and back, and then XR80 on the windshield. To get started, it's all about cleanliness. Most of the time we're scrubbing the windows more than we're actually tinting the windows. So here we're just gonna start off with a light scrub, knock off the loose dirt that's gonna be on the window. And then a good clean scrub pad, it will do the trick. Especially this dual pane glass, the dirt likes to sit inside these grooves, so a good scrub always helps. All right, now it's all loose. I'm gonna wipe our edges. Window tint, there's basically two films. There's ceramic and then non-metallized, which is non-ceramic film. The benefit is really heat rejection. Your basic ceramic film, depending on who makes it, blocks around 35% of the total energy, where our ceramic films, the XR Plus has a 96% infrared heat rejection. Our mid-grade, the XR, which is a single layer ceramic, it blocks 86%. But to be in the 3000 SPF, it has a 99% UVA and UVB rejection. So if the sun's a concern, the XR Plus is great. The XR Plus is Skin Cancer Foundation certified, so you know you're gonna get the best quality of film that's available out in the world right now. Here at I1 Customs, we go above and beyond to give you the best quality tint job possible. We did start off with the scrub. Usually a scrub head does the trick. I noticed one little piece of dirt, so if we have to, we'll razor blade the whole window. And we did it this way. We'll do whatever it takes to give you the best quality of job possible. Nothing's gonna leave here unless it's satisfied with us. Here we're gonna get this pattern off the board and get ready for install, which is nice about I1 Customs is we team up, in my opinion, and a lot of others, the best film manufacturer in the world. And we use Xpel for their window tint, paint protection, and ceramic coating needs, but they also have the perfect pattern. I think you can ask about any installer out. Xpel's patterns are on point, better than anybody else's. We do our best, and Xpel does as well, to give you edge-to-edge coverage with all patterns possible.
Go for it.
And which is nice here, the reason we're doing edge-to-edge and the software that we use is we have the Graphtec plotter that allows us to cut out almost every single window that you can think of with our software that we have. More soap, the better for movement.
Sure.
But again, too much soap will never lock in place. You typically want to leave your windows up 48 to 36 hours post-install. But on a vehicle like this, the open frame window, that window is going to move up and down every time you open and close the door. So what we'll do is we'll do a little post-heat, and it'll help seal the edges. It'll allow you to not to worry about the windows going up and down. You're still going to allow the window to completely dry for 48 hours and allow the moisture to get out. But overall, the window tint's safe. It's stuck to the glass and it's not going to go anywhere. Now we're working on the windshield. We're cutting out the full windshield. The plotter's doing all the magic, doing the hard part for us by cutting it out. It does fit very well. Once it's applied to the windshield, you really shouldn't tell it's on there at all. The film that we're using is very clear. That's an 80%, so it allows 80% of the light to transfer through. So you really don't have to worry about impeding your vision at all, especially at night. Even though it allows 80% of the light to go through, it still blocks around 73% of the infrared heat, which is amazing. Now we're rolling it out. If you notice all this white stuff on the windshield, it's actually wet dryer sheet that has been dried out. And it allows the buffer between the glass and the film, because as we start to shrink it and apply heat, the static or the friction goes up tenfold, to the point of the film wouldn't move around like it is now. If we were trying to do it dry, the film would stick very quickly. So now I'll be able to smooth it out. You'll see as I shrink it, the film is still moving. So without that white stuff, For me, the way I do it, I would be in trouble.
Hey, remember me? I am still here. He's just the pro doing all the windows, and these things look great. So I know Andrew went over all the benefits for you and what it does for your vehicle, but the other thing it does is it affects your cabin overheat protection. So everything is going to stay nice and cool. You're not going to use miles to keep your car cool when you're not in it. So if you're interested in window tint for your car, Xpel Window Tint is the best in the industry. Hit us up down below. There's the information, and schedule your appointment.